Welcome back, guys, to our channel.
Yeah, guys, open the gas so we go. We don't agree with him. Chris, I gonna react to my jerk chicken and tell you how.
Mm-hmm. About 12 for me there. Almost finished. Paper, it tastes good. Well seasoned and everything.
True. I just come home and season it.
Pass my water there, pepper.
Let me say.
Please. No pepper sauce in this, people. Natural business.
Natural blended season.
And pepper.
I want to know if you can sit down yourself. Hey! Girl!
So yes, guys, welcome back.
I have gastroenteritis.
Yes, I interest this baby.
Gastroenteritis?
Really?
Gastroenteritis. Mercy.
Papa Jesus, come down, go help me.
Chocolate tea. Ooh.
Guys, food bad. No lie. Just say funny thing is, when you can't come, come join me now.
A bad man, when you come on to food, you know, I'm not trying to do that again.
When you can't come join me, we will take plane and forward, and we will take taxi and forward. By the time you pull up,
Done.
everything done, plate, wash up and everything.
A sanitary plate, that guy's not for them.
Well, the plate go dash and they up some.
But we are wash them back. Now waste them. Guys, I'm sorry, oh my god. We really do need a tripod, please. Look them.
Baby,
Who remember?
you come out as some old people. Seriously? Nah, sir.
That door nasty. You never do it. You lie to the funny isn't there. You will lie. Give me that.
You come much have in there for your plate. I mean for your help you.
Guys, I told me I have gastroenteritis. I have to drink tea if you bust the gas.
I have to have gas, let me help you.
If you can't take time, you know, Chris.
Food nice.
All the kids, them guys, I tell me, say, Mommy, I love you. They love the food, they want more. So I guess I'm gonna have to get used to doing this now. Now all the time though, can't take a smoke in my eye, they burn out it. As long as I Chris give off, we do it. We move on the fire. We will do the cooking.
You must say, in peace, man.
No. Hey, we say, I'd rather close him than feed him. I never see him out of Christoph, you know?
baby. Me see it, so you can't go further.
I think I'm just
Me see it, people. Me see it, so Neela can't go further. I'm here begging me food.
Chris must not eat so much.
God, go sting you, know, if you're not giving me, you know.
God not sting me. I don't call you no sting for me.
Hey, after your words, huh? Oh, God, go sting. Maybe a waste of meat. People, nearly a waste of meat. Thank you. Okay. So you make food and you make food, man. I'm a play and a sucks made food. Sure. Wait, man. Sure. What is in here?
Christian, I say I got something. Go and leave me alone.
So, come and this one and get all that pepper, man.
I ran Christian again. Give me back then.
You don't eat it already. Not prefer. Come on, man. Alright, Emma, no, Emma, turn on that, Emma, turn it down. Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down. Go on in now. I mean, go on in with you now, have that. Go on in, baby.
Boy.
One piece. I'm going to have to beg for
Right here.
Mighty.
Go begin. Since I turn up and watch me, go begin.
Nice.
Swear to God, man.
Finish, Emma, and mommy will eat her first. I know I share. April? It says seeing is believing, and here says a lie. But when you see it, but not taste it. And if they have to taste it, and when you say something different and how. You know, starting nastiness now, man. Really? People, you tell me now. Want to get out and put bread in a tea?
Tastes like they are heaven.
Want to comment down below and let me know who and who do it.
Heaven with them.
Neela, that nasty.
That nice.
Nasty.
You know what nasty?
You can't put bread in a tea. That's saggy.
So sickness no saggy.
I rest my case, people.
Man sitting saggy. Bread no saggy. Bread feel like a egg made in. What did Jesus give them to eat?
You tell me.
Bread and wine. And Jesus say give them bread and wine?
In turn, water and a wine. And I give them bless the multitude with the fish and the loaf. I can't take out the Emma. You might have to go get something
Anyway, guys,
and take out the yes. Oh, she so can deal with it.
we're gonna end this vlog.
Me so take out it, just wait now.
We're gonna end this vlog. So guys, you know, say the vlog here not really do perfect because Chris don't know if you rate food, as in YouTube way, like eat everything and tell them what you taste from what you don't taste. But next time in the next Rating My Wife Cooking, we will surely do better, right? Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, turn on your post notification.